Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my favorite time of the year. We are officially in the Burr months, which means fall is upon us, and I'm so thrilled and excited. September is the start of everything glorious in the rest of the year. So I was thinking, I'm craving some coffee right now, and why not make a little fall treat? So of course, I'm gonna couple up and partner with my Nescafe Gold. Today I'll be using the Intense, and that'll be my instant espresso. And I decided I not only want to try to make like a nice pumpkin flavor, but let's jazz it up a little bit. So I've got my Torani pumpkin sauce right here, and I figured we could couple it with some lovely white chocolate, and this right here is the best white chocolate you can ever get. It is the Ghirardelli white chocolate powder. So order some on Amazon, it is worth it. We are gonna make a pumpkin white mocha iced coffee today. And it's super easy, I can't wait to show you guys this recipe. So we're gonna start off with half a cup of water, which I've already measured out right here. Into that we're gonna add 2 teaspoons of the Nescafe Gold. That'll make a double shot of espresso. There we go. Into this, we're gonna add, I'm gonna eyeball it, but I would say probably about half of a tablespoon worth of pumpkin pie sauce. We're just gonna squirt it right on in there. Make it to your liking, of course. And for a regular white mocha, it says to use 3 tablespoons of the powder. However, because we're also doing the white chocolate with the pumpkin sauce, I figured let's scale back a little bit. So I think I'm gonna do 2 tablespoons instead of 3 for the white chocolate powder. I don't wanna make it too overly sweet. I don't love a super sweet coffee. There we go. Now all we have to do is take our little handheld frother and whip everything together real quick. So I will be right back, you guys. All right, you guys, we got it all whipped together. Here's our espresso with pumpkin sauce and white chocolate in it. Now all we have to do is assemble this delicious drink and get to sipping. So today, I wanted to introduce one of my new cups I found at TJ Maxx from the Mean Girls collection from, I believe the brand is Dragon that makes them. So Dragon X Mean Girls, that's so fetch. And we are gonna make fetch happen. It is absolutely happening today. So I got my cup of ice right here. Let's add our espresso to it. And now, all we're gonna do to finish the latte off is top it with some oat milk. I've got my favorite Chobani extra creamy right here. And let's admire the colors of that coffee. Let me bring you in. Look at that glorious pumpkin white mocha. How amazing and delicious this is gonna be. I've got my straw with the lid right here for the cup. Give it a quick little stir. Perfect. Let's give her a taste. Oh my God, y'all. Seriously. Fall in a cup. This beverage is so delicious. And look at how simple and quick that came together. You do not need an expensive espresso machine to have a cafe style latte at home. And honestly, you can make it to your liking and it's gonna probably taste a million times better anyways. Remember guys, Nescafe Gold right here gives you some of the best espresso. It is chef's kiss. And I can't wait for you guys to give this recipe a try and enjoy it. And happy start of fall, everybody.